My name is Lainey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to make a cinnamon spiced muffin. This is a favourite recipe of my husband as he loves anything cinnamon flavoured. It has amazing macros and will quench a sweet tooth. It's so simple to make, anyone could do it and you can just whip them up in 10 minutes. Okay, let's get started. What you will need is a mixing bowl, spatula. I'm using a silicone muffin tray, weighing scales. For the wet ingredients for the muffin, you will need some egg whites. I picked these up from Muscle Food. Some fat-free Greek yogurt. You can pick this up in any supermarket. Some pureed pumpkin. If you cannot get your hands on pureed pumpkin, you can always substitute it for mashed sweet potato, but you will have to adjust the macros. I usually get these in either Tesco's or Sainsbury's and also on Amazon. For the dry ingredients, some almond flour. I get this from Sukrin. Any vanilla protein powder. Some ground cinnamon. Any store brand will do. These muffins are topped with a cinnamon crunch, which adds to the texture and the flavour. For the cinnamon crunch, you're going to need some more of your almond flour, some of this granulated Sukrin Gold, some of the gold fibre syrup, also from Sukrin, and for a simple icing glaze on top, I use this sugar-free icing sugar, also from Sukrin. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Let's get started. So here we have it, guys, a very simple but tasty recipe which will satisfy any sweet tooth. Plus it has the addition of it being jam-packed with protein. All the ingredients for this recipe will be listed in the description box below. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give it the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my healthy recipes. See you next time.
Shake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right.